Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming my favorite video to film, which is a Ulta and Sephora haul. And then I also got my package from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, so I'm also going to show you guys that. So if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start with Sephora today. First up, I picked up two of the new Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palettes. I'm so excited. So I got the color Neon Orange and also Neon Green, and I love their original Obsessions palette. I actually have this one on today. This is the Electric Obsessions, and it actually has some kind of neon shades in here as well. Like today I used the orange and the yellow. They're just so pretty. But I'm so excited when I saw these. I was like, I have to have them. I didn't pick up the pink one though, just because it kind of like had shades that I already own. So this is what the green one looks like. It's kind of reflective, and this packaging is like a hard case, which I really like. I love the updated packaging. And then it comes with a mirror, and here are the shades. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking pretty. So the reason why I wanted to get this one was mainly for the shimmers, just because they just look so different and like unique. I don't really wear green eyeshadow a lot, so I probably honestly won't get a lot of use out of this bottom row. Maybe the shimmer, just because I love like yellowy greens like that, but these two, I don't know if I'll wear them, but it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of the colors. So these colors aren't very neon, but they're still really pretty. So here's some of the colors. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I can't wait to use these. They're kind of like pastel duochromes. And then this one is the Neon Orange. Look at those colors. They are so beautiful. It's just like a perfect kind of summer bright palette. It has like really beautiful like sunset colors in there. This one has a lot more mattes in it and less shimmers. There's only 3 shimmers. These kind of feel different. This one feels a little bit chunky. It has the exact same like lime green yellow in this palette as the other one. Oh, okay. The one that actually felt really chunky is super pigmented. That yellowy green is so pretty. Okay, they're a little bit different. This yellowy green is a little bit more yellow than the other one, and the other one's a little bit more green. But those are the 3 shimmers right here. And as you can see, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell on camera, but the yellows are a little bit different. I have the other yellow up here. But ooh, they're so buttery and soft. These ones even left some pigment on my fingers. Look how pretty. But these are so beautiful. I cannot wait to use them. I'll probably use these in a like trying new makeup video. And the last thing I got from Sephora, besides like the samples and things, was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So everybody has been raving about it, and I've picked it up at Sephora, put it back down, picked it up, and I was like, fine, I'll go ahead and get it, just because I love me like a fine mist, but I also want it to like actually prolong the wear of my makeup, because I do have like long days at work, and this is not meant to do that. It's more of like a hydrating mist. And so the way I justified it was because I've been using my Morphe Continuous Mist like after I powder, and then once I finish all my makeup, I'll go in with my Urban Decay spray just to like lock it in. And so I feel like I'll just use this in the same way. I'll use this first, and then I'll use like a setting spray over it later on. I know it's like super extra, but that's what I do on an everyday basis. And this has a fine mist just like the Morphe one, and the Morphe is 16, and this was like, how much was it? Hold on, let me check the receipt. So it was 28, so it was like $12 more than the Morphe one. So I thought, okay, I'll just go ahead and try it. It has 2.54 fluid ounces. The Morphe one has 2.8, so it does have more. Oh, hopefully I don't run out of it too fast, because I already run out of the Morphe one really fast, but I just really wanted to try it. Let me go ahead and open it. I think they did end up changing their packaging, just because it used to be in this like plastic thing, and now it's in boxes. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me shake it up. It looks like the pink drink from Starbucks. It looks so small though. I'm probably gonna run out of this so fast, but I just really wanted to try it. To me, mine doesn't look as pink as some other people's like on camera, but I don't know. And then here is the little spray. I'm not gonna spray it because like I said, I ran out of it too fast, so I'm gonna savor it. But this is what the packaging looks like right here. You guys have to let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this and what your thoughts are on it. And then the rest of the stuff is just like samples and like a code thing. I did order this stuff online, but I just put it in a Sephora bag because that's what I do when I get orders. I just take them out of the box and put them in a bag just because the box takes up so much space. But they actually gave me the samples I wanted this time, which is super exciting. So I got this Glow Recipe avocado sleeping mask, which I have never tried anything from Glow Recipe. This is actually gonna be my first thing, but I thought I would try this just because my skin has been super dry lately. And then I also got this Fresh Sugar lip balm. I've heard really good things about these balms and I've never tried them and I've always wanted to. And so when I saw this as a sample, I was like, heck yeah. This is how big the little sample is. Oh, it says that it's new. I guess it's like a new scent. And then I got this, which I'm super duper excited about. It's one of those like code things. And inside you get the Drunk Elephant TLC Baby Facial and also the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil, which, oh, I can't wait to try that. I've already tried the baby facial and I do like it, but not enough to buy the full size. And then also the oil I've been wanting to try just because, like I said, my skin has been on the drier side since I've been using like acne medications. And so these are the little sizes that you get. So that was everything that I got from Sephora. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to Ulta. The first thing I picked up was just my makeup wipes. These are from Skin Food. They're the cleansing tissues. Oh, I got some Becca stuff because it was 40% off and I've been wanting to use this ever since I got it, but I've been saving it for the haul. This is the Khole and Malika face palette and I got the lighter one, which was the gold. It's called Bronze Blush and Glow Palette. I don't know where it says the color. I don't think it says the color on it just because the boxes are different colors. So this is so beautiful. When I saw it, it reminded me a lot of the new Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette. And I actually looked it up and a lot of people thought that because they did comparisons. And this one won in a lot of the comparisons. And I did swatch that one when I went to Sephora when it first came out and it just didn't wow me. But when I swatched this, it wowed me a lot. When it first came out, I didn't even like swatch it or anything, but since it was 40% off, I was like, let me just see what this is all about. And I was like, whoa, I should have bought this a long time ago, but I'm kind of glad I waited because now I got it 40% off. So this is what the palette looks like. It's a pretty good size, and this is the inside. It's so beautiful. It actually looks a lot lighter on camera than it does in real life. It kind of has the look of like hourglass powders, and so now I can finally swatch it. So these colors are definitely on the lighter side, but like I said, there is a deeper palette and I would definitely pick it up while it's 40% off. And so these are the swatches right here. They are so pretty. The bronzer comes off a lot warmer on the swatch than it does in the pan, but I thought these would just be perfect for summer since they're nice and glowy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. And so I also got two of the lipsticks from the same collection just because they were also 40% off. I got the silver packaging and also the gold, but I got both nudes from the collection just because I'm crazy like that and I love my nudes. And so the first one I got is Cupid's Kiss. So this is what the packaging looks like, and check this out, guys. It's so satisfying. Look at this. Okay, ready? I love that satisfaction. It's magnetized. Woo! I could do that all day. So anyways, this is what Cupid's Kiss looks like. It's a really pretty nude, and it actually looks like it's on the warmer side, like it's too orangey for my taste, but once I tried this on in store, I fell in love. And these are both kind of cream sheen, so they do have a lot of shine to them. Love that. And so that is what the swatch looks like right there. Super pigmented. And then this is yours truly. Even though the boxes are different, they have the same color packaging. And this is what that color looks like. It also looks like more orangey in the tube than it does like on the lips, but it definitely has a peachier undertone. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And these are like just one swipe lipsticks. They're really pigmented. Ah! I can't get over it. I can't get over it. Okay. So there's yours truly right there on the bottom. It's a little bit of a lighter nude. Yeah, and I ended up getting those for like 13 bucks, which I think is a great deal, especially for that packaging. Next up, I got some First Aid facial radiance pads. I just got this for gratis. And then I also just got this from the clearance section. This is the Charcoal Black Sugar Peel Off Mask, and I thought it would be cool to try because it was just so cheap, so I was like, why not? So that was everything that I got from Ulta. Now I could go ahead and move on to my Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics package. I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it yet just because Christian was like, you should wait and open it on camera. So I was like, okay. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh my geez. I'll just use this razor. Ooh, that was easy. Okay, so she has a little bit of bubble wrap action in here. Oh my gosh, it feels warm. Hopefully they're not melted. So here it is. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. And I did pick out the trio. So it was $49. Oh, so they're individually packaged also. They're huge. Why is the box so big? They're really big. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I like it. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. The rhinestone on the top is a little meh, but I like the packaging. So this first one is That Girl. Ooh, it looks like a peachy nude. It kind of looks like that other one that we swatched from Becca. It smells like MAC lipstick or something. Actually, you know what? It kind of smells like... It doesn't smell like MAC lipstick. This is a familiar smell though. It smells like kids makeup. Like the lipsticks that you get in those little kids makeup sets things, and some of them are real, some of them are fakes. That's what it smells like. Time to swatch. Okay, let me give you a close-up first. So this is what the color of That Girl looks like. Ooh, these are really pigmented too. Okay, so it's a lot more pinky than that Becca one that we had before. I love the little logo right here on the packaging. That's pretty cool. Wait, why is it not closing? Oh, you have to close it in the front. So you have to put the actual logo in the front where it goes or it won't close. So that is the color That Girl. Super sheeny, just like the Becca ones. I can't wait to try these on. Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even tell you what trio I got. I got the color Nude Moment. So that's the trio name. Next up, we have the color Perfectionist. Actually, the rhinestone on top is starting to grow on me. I really like it. And I like how weighted these are. What the heck? This one smells like vanilla. The other one smelled like play makeup, and this one smells like vanilla. So this one is Perfectionist. It looks more mauve-y than the last one. So that is Perfectionist. And this one looks so similar to me to something, and I can't think of what, but it just looks really familiar. And last but not least, the last one in the trio is Sophia. So this is a close-up of Sophia. This one's actually a little bit lighter than Perfectionist, which I actually thought was gonna be darker. So there is Sophia. Is it just me, or does that look like it has less sheen than the others? Yeah, it looks less sheeny. It looks a little bit more matted down, but it's really pretty. So far, I'm really impressed with these. I think they're really pretty shades, and I can't wait to try them on. Oh, heck no. This one has a dent in it. It has a dent in it. Do you guys see the dent? It's like right there. That is so weird. And so yeah, guys, I will be trying these in my new trying new makeup video, so be on the lookout for that, because I want to try all three on for you guys just to see them on my skin tone. Okay guys, so that's gonna be everything for today's haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I also do a haul on my channel every single week, so if you love hauls, you should totally stay. And then I also do trying new makeup after the haul, so it's really fun over here. And so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!